Hello guys, Sharif here. In this video, I'm gonna show you the update of my Quantum Second Core Loader, which is now in version 3.2. And here it is. The only component updated is my QSSL.bin, the assistant of QSSL.elf. So this is the update. And my QSSL.bin is now 100% fully functional, work on all hardware, and it is future-proof and universal, and also it works for some iOS and unknown SoC too, just like my QSSL.elf. And also, it is important that my QSSL.elf has assistant, because if you want to run like some tools unofficial like my qtip.p, if I want to do that, so it has features like read, write, erase, poke, pick, and spoof, just like some other tools like edl.p or mtk client, and so on. So you can see in my GitHub repo the update, and you can also analyze inside of my QSSL.bin, so you can do it on your own. Thank you.